Friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send an email from within Google Docs. As you can see here guys, I'm in Google Docs here, and you may be wondering how I'm going to send an email from within Google Docs, right? Is that even possible? Yes, it is. All you have to do is simply click on insert from the menu options here and go down to where you have building blocks, hover over that and you have email draft. Click on that. It's going to create an email draft for you. Here you can simply type in an email address of the person, the to field. You can put a CC, you can put in a BCC if you want to. Let's say I want to add first person. So I'm going to hover over personal. As you can see, immediately start to search my Gmail for email addresses, right? So I'm going to select an email address here as an example. Now from there, all I have to do is continue filling out the rest. So I can just simply go ahead and type, for example, hello in the subject field, and below you can simply write the email address. I can just simply type in hi, how are you, right? And simple as that. Now once you're finished guys, finish writing your email, all you have to do is click the email icon on the upper left hand side, and it's going to create this email right into Gmail here. And as you can see, this open up a separate window right from within your Google Docs, and it just convert everything into an email. So it have the email address, it has the subject, it has the message, and all you have to do is just simply hit and send. And that's how to go ahead and send an email from within Google Docs. Very easy and very simple.